So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing kinetic sand slime. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below what video you want to see next. Let's get started. So take out your bowl or a plate, and then you want to add in your Elmer's glue or PVA glue. It has to be PVA glue. I use Elmer's. I don't have no more glue. I'm poor. Okay, that's a lot. That's not a lot, but since I only have a little bit of sand, it's a lot. So pour in your glue, and then you're gonna be needing kinetic sand. And then, so now just open up the kinetic sand, and you wanna add in 3 teaspoons of kinetic sand. If you put as much as glue as you did in here. So, oh yeah, and the kinetic sand slime will turn out to be like this. It's a really good slime, and it feels really, really good. So, yeah, I think it's worth wasting your kinetic sand. Well, maybe you're not wasting it. Maybe you just bought it for this video. So, yeah. And I changed my bowls from this one to this heart one because the sand against the glass made this super duper annoying sound. So, I changed bowls. And I'm sorry, by the noise. It's, we're cleaning the house and it's really, really loud here. And I'm upstairs and everyone's downstairs, so it's super duper loud. And my mom's in the basement cleaning, so just keep on mixing and then add in your activator. I'm using a cup. The borax solution is a cup of water. Have a tablespoon of borax and just add that in. You can also use laundry detergent, contact solution, eye drops, Tide, Staflo, borax, any of that stuff. And yeah, if it doesn't activate, like right here, is that it needs way more activator, but add bit by bit. I'm sorry, is that I added in a bit too much? So just, that's bad. So I'm gonna add in a bit more kinetic sand. There we go, that's enough. Bit more. There we go, that's enough. That's enough to make one super sandy slime. I feel like it's gonna turn out like the snow slimes. I think they're called snow slimes or slushy slimes. I forget what they're called. Snow slimes. And I forget the other one. Sand or snow slimes. I forget. But I think it's gonna turn out like that. Oh, I think it's snow and ice. Yeah, so let's go in with our hands because it's getting way too hard to use our, okay, it's really, really sticky, so, look at the slime. Ah, it's super sticky. Hey, keep on adding in. Ugh, I activated it too much. No, that's why I always have a backup slime, just to make sure that if I activate it too much, I'll have a slime to mix it with, and it'll make it soft. Or I didn't activate it too much. I activated it just right. I think it's the sand that's stiffening the slime a bit. So keep on adding the stuff in. It makes it pretty nice sand slime. Makes a pretty good sand slime. So now add in this extra batch. Yay! Here, I'm gonna show you guys. It's perfect slime. It's perfect slime. Ah! It's perfect slime. Perfect slime. I added in some beads. Here, let me do something real quick. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but let's try. Yep, it works. Okay, so it's a really good slime. Guys, it's a really good sand slime. I love it. And the thing about sand slime, it doesn't really make noises. It's just like silent slime, kind of like the silent slime. So it's a pretty good sand slime. I love it. It's not the best sand slime, but it's sure. Is that I added in a bit too much activator? Made it rubbery, but it is sand slime, so. And it does not leave sand on you. Doesn't leave sand on you. Oh wait, yes it does. It just leaves like a bit. It doesn't leave like a whole ton. Like, I always try to make sand slime, and it's always a fail until I found out of this recipe. And I'll I try to screenshot my videos and like show my friends, but it never works for some reason, so yeah, don't do that. And I added in some beads, just a couple of beads, so yeah. So bye guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what video you want to see next, and bye!